Hey there, it's so good to have you back at Nature's Fix. Today, I'm about to show you how to make one of my favorite natural remedies, homemade rosemary oil. This stuff is a game changer for hair, skin, and even those tired muscles. First things first, grab a few sprigs of fresh rosemary. If you've grown it yourself, I'm a little jealous. Wash them really well, then let them dry completely. Trust me, you don't want any water in your oil. It can make it go bad fast. Once that's done, pop your rosemary into a clean glass jar. Pour your favorite carrier oil over the top. Coconut, olive, or jojoba all work beautifully. Make sure the rosemary is fully covered. Now comes the fun part, infusing. You can either gently heat the jar in a pan of warm water for about 20 minutes, or let it sit on a sunny windowsill for a few days, giving it a gentle shake now and then. Both work. One's just speedier. When you're happy with the scent, strain out the rosemary if you like and pour the oil into a dark bottle. Store it somewhere cool, and it'll last you for months. Use it for scalp massages, joint rubs, or add a few drops to your bath. It's that easy. Let me know if you're gonna give this a try. Hit like, subscribe, and the bell for more natural tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.